We are pleased to show you the 2014 CL-Class. Limited only with respect to the number we choose to unleash. This coupe version of the S-Class luxury sedan is just as fast, comfortable, and luxurious. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, mini spare tire. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.